Malayo Python reticulatus, three heads Harlequin, and one head Bacan platinum. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful snake, mop Harlequin and Bacan platinum.